You know, all jokes aside, going around with this vlog chest mount has actually been super fucking fun. It's probably one of the best purchases I've made recently, because I don't have like a GoPro or an actual video camera to film on, so all I had was my phone on me. So what the chest mount does is you can just clip your phone on the chest mount and then just have your phone recording all the footage as you walk around and look around or whatever. I think the only inconvenience is always having to turn on and off the recording, because I've got like a little, what's it called again, like a little remote, right, that I use for my tripod. So you constantly have to keep clicking the record button on and off, so that's the one annoyance. But the chest mount was a super fun purchase for me. There's a ton of like these foldable ones that you can find on Amazon or even like at any of like the bike shops and shit like that. Am I good to go? Oh, but I have to wait. Across the long way. Come on, go green. There we go.